special 67th birthday, and this year, Isuzu D-Max is doing our Merdeka Convoy, where we have more than 900 over Isuzu D-Maxes going on the streets of Malaysia to bring the joy of Merdeka. You see a D-Max this morning on the roads. It's a part of the Isuzu Merdeka Convoy. And let's do it! Let's go Merdeka, Merdeka, Merdeka!
Our objective for Merdeka Convoy is to celebrate Malaysian Independence Day together with our owner and our dealers.
Isuzu is a brand that emphasizes on bonding, not just selling a car, but actually it's also a long-term relationship.
Merdeka! Merdeka! Merdeka!
Four wheel 里面是最省油的一个。
听到没有 ？4 wheel 里面最省油的这个就是这一辆。
RM162, saya boleh pergi 1050 km.
Servis murah, yang penting.
Saya suka panel muka depan dia tu kan, punya daylight dia. Datang pun dengan kamera reverse semua dia dah bagi dah kan, dengan LCD player semua.
Enjinnya tahan, penggunaan minyak dia jimat.
Second generation 它会属于比较大辆一点，它的 engine compact，然后阔，所以说它长度又好。
Dia punya shape pun selesa.
And they feel very comfortable as well. Die-hard fan of the Isuzu, I would say that.
It's fun. Boleh kenal ramai orang.
Nah, benda ni yang memberi manfaat kepada saya dan keluarga saya.
Thank you Isuzu.
All the best for Isuzu.
Boleh buat lagi lepas ni setiap tahun.
InsyaAllah saya akan join.
Isuzu Malaysia, the best.
Isuzu yang terbaik.
Isuzu D-Max is the way to go if you need a 4x4. Well, what are you waiting for? I'll see you at our showroom. Merdeka, Merdeka, Merdeka.